To change your ringtone on an Android phone like this Samsung Galaxy here, first you'll go to your settings and then scroll down to Sounds and Vibration. Tap the ringtone setting and you can choose from a long list of built-in ringtones. Tap any ringtone to hear a preview and use the slider on the top to set your ringtone volume to your liking. You can also use any song or custom audio file as your ringtone. First, you'll need to transfer the file on your phone. Using streaming apps like Spotify doesn't work, so you'll need to have the actual file locally saved on your phone. It doesn't matter how you transfer it, but here's how I do it. Upload it on Google Drive on my computer, and then use the Google Drive app to download the song on my phone. Depending on how you download songs on your phone, you might need to move the file into your ringtones folder. If I go to the My Files app, I can see the song here that I just downloaded. By default, mine go to the Downloads folder, and my phone doesn't understand I want to use it as a ringtone. I can tap and hold the song, choose Move, and on the top it'll say where it currently is located, inside my Downloads folder. I can tap Internal Storage to go back, and then find the Ringtones folder, and move my song there. Now that the file is stored in my Ringtones folder, my phone will understand that this song should be included in my list of ringtones. If I go back to the settings and look at the list of ringtones, there's a chance it still doesn't show up, because I opened this list before the song was moved. If that happens, just close out your settings and open it again. It should reload your ringtones, and now I can see and select the song we just added. And that's how you change your ringtones on a Samsung phone. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to get more easy and practical guides like this straight into your YouTube feed. Thanks all until next time.